Welcome back to the channel. Been a while since I put a video out, just been pretty busy with work. I did make it to the Pawnee, Oklahoma show here 1st of May and put a short video together with some of the sights and sounds from that show. And then at the end of the video I've got kind of a surprise on a machine tool that I've been working for the shop. I've been working on it quite a bit and it's almost ready to move into the shop and start making chips. Hope you enjoy the video. this is what I've been working on over the winter. It's a number 2 Kearney and Trecker horizontal mill. It's a model 2K. It weighs about 4,500 pounds. It's quite a heavy machine. It will do a lot more than what a regular Series 2 Bridgeport will, and it's a very heavy machine for high capacity production use. There were a lot of these made. This one was made in October of 1940. I spent a lot of time converting it over from 480 to 208, 220. And I've got a short video showing the table running under power. And thanks for watching the video today, and I hope you enjoy the little short video on the number 2 Kearney and Trecker.